Quadraphonic quad. During the 70s, many of the most important artists recorded their LPs in quad format, sometimes with top sound engineers such as Alan Parsons. Thanks to Dolby ProLogic technology, Europa Radio Jazz will be able to let you enjoy these recordings in their original multi-channel mix. Before we get started, here's a brief test. Make sure that the sound comes from the correct loudspeaker. Front left, front right, rear left, rear right. Okay, let's get started.
You're listening to Europa Radio.